Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 4792P. This is a 2021 Ford F-350 crew cab flat deck with 101 for K, XL package, so it's got your plain wheels on it, vinyl interior, so it's nice and easy to keep clean. Something like this is great for construction or for the farm. Get a nice big full crew cab, so lots of room back there. Flip it up and put tools and materials down on the seats, or have extra room for crew members. Out back, we've got a 9-foot long by 80-inch wide flat deck with a hitch as well as 7-pin wiring. Deck service itself is nice and big. It's big enough for pallets of fertilizer, seed, toolbox, welder, whatever you might need on the farm, or if you're lugging around some pieces of equipment, whether that be skid steers or mini hose, things like that. There's enough room on the deck for your attachments, whether that be extra buckets or forks or whatever else you might be tooling around. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise, and there is Bluetooth. There's also some auxiliary switches up above for beacon lights, buggy whips, or whatever else. So again, anywhere from the farm to the construction site, having a crew cab flat deck is one of the most versatile trucks you can have in your fleet. Again, stock number 4792, 2021 Ford F-350 crew cab.